Fifth grade math. How to divide decimal numbers by whole numbers. This is a decimal number. Would like to divide this decimal number by this whole number. And here are three examples that will help you to understand how to divide decimal number by whole numbers. So let's start with the first example. Look, 2.35 divided by 5, right? So rewrite this. Divide 2.35 by 5. Look, 5 goes into 2 how many times? 2 is less than 5, so 5 goes into 2 0 times. So 0 times 5, that gives you 0. Something times 0, that gives you 0. If you subtract, then you are getting here 2. Now you have decimal, so decimal will come to the quotient straight, right? So after decimal we have 3. Now bring down these 3. 5 goes into 23 how many times? 4 times. 4 times. So 4 times 5, that gives you 20. If you subtract, then 3. Now bring down the last digit 5. 5 goes into 35 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. If you subtract, that is our remainder is 0. So we are done. 2.35 divided by 5 equal to 0.47. I think you have understood how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. So let us take the second example. How to divide this? So would like to divide this number by 5. 5 goes into 4 how many times? Actually 0 times, because 4 is less than 5. So write 0. Now multiply quotient times divisor. 0 times 5, 0. If you subtract, then you are getting 4, right? 4. Now you have decimal, so decimal will come to the quotient directly. Then you have 7, so bring down this 7. 5 goes into 47 how many times, right? Okay. 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. If you subtract, then you are getting 2. Now bring down the last digit 5. 5 goes into 25 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. So you are getting here 0. So 0.95 is the answer. This is 10th place and this is 100th place. So let us consider the last example, this. Okay, divide this 95 decimal point 1. So look, 6 goes into 9 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 6, 6. If you subtract, then you are getting here 3. Now bring down this 5. 6 goes into 35 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 6, 30. If you subtract, then you are getting 5. Now you have decimal point. Decimal point will go now to the top. Now look, now you have 1. So bring down this 1. Now 6 goes into 51 how many times? Look, 6 times 1 6, right? Then 6 times 6 36, 6 times 7, how many times? Just add 6, that is 42. 6 times 8, just add 6, 8. 6 times 12, carry 1, look just at 6, 6 plus 2 8, and then 4 48, right? 6 times 8 48, and here 51. So let us check. So right here 8 and 48, if you subtract, then what will happen? 48 here 51, that is you are getting here 3, right? Now you have nothing after this will be the remainder, but in case of decimal division, right, you need to continue division until you are getting a remainder 0 or repeating value in the quotient. So we can take here any number of 0, because if you take any number of 0 after decimal point, that doesn't change the value of the decimal number. So now bring down this 0. 6 goes into 30 how many times? 5 times. Now you are getting remainder 0, right? So 15.85 is the answer. I think I have discussed all the techniques to divide a decimal number by a whole number.